Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Claude not responding to your prompts. If you're typing messages into Claude but receiving no response, seeing the message remain stuck in a loading state, or finding that Claude simply isn't generating answers, don't worry. This is a fairly common issue and can often be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. The first thing to check is whether your prompt was actually submitted successfully. Sometimes a temporary connection issue can prevent the message from reaching Claude's servers. If the send button appears unresponsive or the message remains in a pending state for an unusually long time, refresh the page and try submitting the prompt again. Next, verify that your internet connection is working properly. Claude requires a stable connection throughout the request and response process. Open a few websites in other tabs and confirm they load normally. If your internet appears unstable, try reconnecting to your network, restarting your router, or switching to another connection before testing Claude again. Another common cause is temporary server congestion. During periods of heavy usage, Claude may become slower than usual or stop responding to some requests altogether. If you've already confirmed that your internet connection is working properly, wait a few minutes and try again. Service-related issues are often resolved automatically once traffic levels decrease. You should also examine the size of your prompt. Extremely long prompts, very large pasted documents, multiple file uploads, or highly complex instructions can require significantly more processing time. If your request is particularly large, break it into smaller parts and submit them separately. Smaller requests are generally processed more reliably. If you're working inside a very long conversation, the accumulated context can also affect performance. Claude reviews previous messages in the chat before generating a response. In lengthy conversations, this process can take longer and occasionally lead to problems. Starting a new conversation and providing only the necessary context can often solve the issue. Another helpful step is refreshing your browser session. Sign out of Claude, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back in. This refreshes your session and can resolve temporary authentication or communication issues that may be preventing responses from being generated. Browser cache and cookies can also contribute to loading and response problems. Open your browser settings, clear cached files and cookies, restart the browser, and then return to Claude. This ensures that the latest website files are being used instead of potentially outdated or corrupted data. It's also worth checking whether Claude is experiencing a service outage or degradation. If the platform itself is having technical difficulties, multiple users may experience the same symptoms. Checking the official status page can help determine whether the problem is widespread. Finally, make sure your browser is fully updated. Running an older browser version can occasionally create compatibility issues that affect modern web applications like Claude. By checking your connection, simplifying large prompts, starting new chats, refreshing your session, clearing browser data, disabling extensions, and verifying service status, you can resolve most situations where Claude stops responding to your prompts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.